In today's videos, we're going to go through ratios on the SAT. Now, they come in many shapes and sizes, but in these two problems, I want to talk about equivalent ratios and proportions. Both are pretty similar because both are setting up equivalent fractions where you have to use cross multiplication, and these are some of my favorite things to do, especially proportions that can take a seemingly hard question and make it super simple. So let's get going. All right, in this problem here, I want to show you a really cool way on how to use proportions when solving this question. Yes, you can use a ratio multiplier here, but proportions is such a clean, easy way to deal with this question. And you know you can use proportions because everything has to remain proportionate because we're told that it's the same ratio needs to be used to make the second batch. But let's read through the question. Yesterday, Jose made a drink by combining 200 milliliters of orange juice with 150 milliliters of soda. Today, he plans to use the same ratio to make another batch of the same drink. If Jose uses 240 milliliters of soda, how much orange juice should he use? Okay, so let's set up the proportion. So 200 milliliters of orange juice with 150 milliliters of soda. All right, so we're going to have OJ new or OJ original. We'll just put OJ. Actually, let me rewrite this way. OJ original over soda original equals OJ new over soda new. Okay, so OJ original is 200. Soda original is 150. And that equals 240 milliliters of soda. Remember, soda's on the bottom, so we'll just call J on the top. That's new. Now, we could cross, that would be 240 for the soda on the bottom. Now, before we cross multiply, we can reduce. The zeros go away. 5 goes into 15 3 times, goes into 20 4 times. So now we have 3J is equal to 4 times 240. 3 goes into 240 8 times, or 80 times rather, and then 4 times 80 is 320. Now, it'd be great if that was the answer, but look at the answer choices. Now, we got to do a few things. But we can easily eliminate one answer right off the bat because we know exactly 360 milliliters of OJ is not used, so D is out. Now we go to A, 170 milliliters more than the amount of OJ used in yesterday's drink. Well, the amount of OJ used in yesterday's drink was 200, and 200 plus 170 is not 320, so that's out. So B is the amount of orange juice used. It's 4 over 3 times the amount of OJ used in yesterday's drink. Once again, 200 milliliters is the OJ. Now, is 200 times 4 over 3 equal to 320? It's not. It's not because you can't even get a clean number by multiplying 200 by over 4 over 3. So B's out. C is going to be the correct answer. Now, we can put that in, or we can just see that it's not the case, or that it's going to work. C says 4 over 3 times the amount of soda he used in today's drink, okay? So today's drink is 240 for the soda. What is 240 times 4 over 3? Well, we see very quickly. 3 goes into 240 80 times. That ends up equaling 320. 320 matches 320. So C is correct. Now, if you're short on time, just know that C was correct. Don't do the math. Keep things moving. But this is a great way to use proportions. And by doing that, you'll be in a situation where you can get this quickly and efficiently.